Little angel reader.
Little angel reader.
English with Little Angel Reader. Level 1, Lesson 2. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Listen, repeat, read, find. Eating. Eating. The girl is eating. The girl is eating. The girl is eating. Who? Who? Who is eating? The girl is eating. She is eating. Drinking. Drinking. The boy is drinking. The boy is drinking. The boy is drinking. Who? Who? Who is drinking? The boy is drinking. He is drinking. Running. Running. The woman is running. The woman is running. The woman is running. Who is running? The woman is running. She is running. Sitting. Sitting. The man is sitting. The man is sitting. The man is sitting. Who? Who? Who is sitting? The man is sitting. He is sitting. Walking. Walking. The women are walking. The women are walking. The women are walking. Who is walking? The women are walking. They are walking. I am walking. I am walking in the snow. 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 I am walking. I am not running. I am walking. I am not running. Hi, Max. The children are walking. The children are walking. The boy is walking. The boy is walking. Listen, repeat, read, find. They are drinking. They are drinking. They are drinking. She is eating. She is eating. She is eating. The man is walking. He is walking. The man is walking. He is walking. The man is walking. He is walking. The boy is running. The boy is running. The boy is running.
Hi, I am Max. I am running. I am running. I am running.
The boy is walking. Oh no, he's running.
I am eating. I am eating. I am reading. I am reading a book. I am reading a book. I am drinking. I am drinking. I am walking. I am sitting.
Let's review. Let's review. Who? Snow. Children. I am. She is. He is. They are. I am running. I am walking. I am sitting. I am eating. Homework. Homework.
Goodbye.
See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Hi, my name is Anna Mitkevich. I'm a professional English teacher with more than 20 years of experience. I also write children's books. Books. And run a YouTube channel called Little Angel Reader. I'm a wife and mother of 2 talented children, Angelina and Max. They are both fluent in English. We live in Russia. English with Little Angel Reader. Level 1, Lesson 2. Like and subscribe, please. If you like my lessons, you can thank me here. PayPal, littleangelreader@gmail.com. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.